Hey everyone, so we're here at Fanick's Garden Center. I spoke to Mark, who works here at Fanick's, and a great connection, great relationship that we built here. And he told us last week that they're going to get about 1,000 roses today. So we're here to take a look at all the goodies.
Yeah, I am so ready to get in there and start to see what varieties they have of roses. I can see it from here right now, and there's so many. So it's going to be a very happy day. So important thing about coming to something like this when there's a lot of roses, you get to see what grows great in your area. That's the very important thing for us right now, as you guys know that we just moved back to San Antonio, and we want to know what roses will do great in this very, very hot and humid climate. So let's go.
We're gonna go take a look and see what we got. All right, so we made it inside, and I gotta tell you, there's so many roses here. It's absolutely gorgeous, but it's like a big reunion because there's so many roses that we've gotten rid of over the years that we're actually seeing them here. For instance, this is Miss Congeniality, and it's in a tree form. Look at that. Such a beautiful looking rose. There's just so much going on here. Like I said, if you haven't made it out here, definitely take a look because there's a lot of roses. All right, so this is probably one of the reddest roses I have ever seen. A beautiful scarlet red. Look at that. Just, it's gorgeous. Oh, you did?
Yes. You guys got to keep me away from the climbers because I just found America Rose, and that's just a gorgeous, gorgeous climber. If I'm correct, this is the mom of Pearly Gates. I think that's it. If not, you can go ahead and let me know, guys, if I'm right or wrong, but I think that's it. Look how beautiful it is.
All right, so I'm talking to Angie, and there is no doubt about it. There's a rose I'm definitely taking that somebody told us about before.
A very good garden friend of ours, Little Jordan Farm. Yeah,
and it's called Joseph's Coat. I fell in love with it when I saw it. There's a couple here, but let me take you around so I can show you the color of what Joseph's Coat looks like, because it's a beautiful, it reminds me of just being on fire. Look at that. Can you imagine that on a trellis? Like a trellis on fire. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful color. I'm telling you right now, this is one rose that I saw that I absolutely fell in love with, and I'm excited to get it. It's a large flowered climber. That's one of the reasons why. Show you the picture right here real quick. What it looks like in full bloom. But absolutely fell in love when I saw this. Here's a big, beautiful bloom right here. Look at that. Lovely, 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 lovely.
You can actually see the different forms that it takes as it's opening.
Yeah.
There's like a globular look right there.
I'm gonna turn you guys around.
So it doesn't seem to have a fragrance though. I was gonna tell you that.
I'm not really too worried about the fragrance. I just love the color.
It's really pretty. It's really big too. Like, wow. It looks like a really good performer.
Yeah, so I think this is one we're gonna take.
Okay. So he picked quick. It's like you just know. You just know, and I think I know.
Yeah, because this was
What I
this,
want to.
like I said, this was a climber that we did do research on. I actually stopped looking for it, and you know, finding it here is awesome because it's something that it comes to you. Things naturally come to you when you really want them.
But you know that it's going to do great. You know, nurseries where you live at, nurseries are going to have plants that are going to do great for your area. You know, for the area that they're selling at. So yeah, a lot of these roses, they're the Floribunda, is that what they're called?
Yep.
And they do really well here in San Antonio, Texas. So they look amazing. So yeah, I think it's one.
Yeah, I picked mine. Let's go pick yours.
I'm picking mine.
They're two colors.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I think they have them. I might be taking this one. So this right here is Belinda's Blush. And not long ago we came and took Belinda's Dream. And I didn't know there was a Belinda's Blush. So let me see if I can find. Look at that, guys. So who of you garden lovers or rose lovers have this beautiful rose? Look how it starts right there. Very, very pretty pink, deep pink, and then it opens up to this, which has a peachy pink, very pretty. Well, the blush color. So this is like my second or third time I'm doing the round as I'm looking around. So I did find Frida Kahlo rose. And that's something that I love so much. So I don't know, one or two, because we've already bought so many roses.
I am not sure.
Guys.
Don't ask me. I give you the wrong answer every time.
So we'll see.
Is that your final choice?
Yes, it is.
What is that one?
This is Belinda's Blush. She's coming with us.
It's like you can't get enough of it, huh?
I can't. I still can't get over how amazing it smells in here, the fragrance of the roses. Yeah, there's so many to pick from right now. Kind of don't want to overdo it with the roses. There are like 3 or 4 that we got our eyes on. I did come with a plan though. I was looking for a more smaller variety. I can't remember the name of it. I think it's called Fairy Tale. It clusters up the flowers in pink, but I don't see it here right now. So I was trying to see if I could find something like that. I wanted to get 2 of those for a future project, but I don't know. Right now is Belinda's Blush.
Yep.
And I think Ambrose has fallen in love with this one right here called Pop Art.
Yep.
And then we ended up seeing, I don't know if you showed it to them already, Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah. So.
And then Frida Kahlo.
Very, very tough decisions.
I know, just take them all, right? I just don't know. Like, I don't want to just have a bunch of pots. We're still coming up with, you know, an idea for the garden. We know we're going to have the majority of the roses. The thing is, it does get very hot here. And if I don't get to plant everything around this time, I don't want to have things just sitting in containers. And, you know, feeling the heat. They'll dry out really, really fast.
All right, guys, so I hope you had fun with this video. I try not to make it too long, just try to show you what they actually have here, because there are plenty of roses, and it was exciting to be able to see all this stuff. As you can see, we got a couple of roses. We could have gotten more, honestly, but I think we're gonna settle on 2 because I found one that I absolutely was excited to get, and Angie has one that she's excited to get as well. So yeah, we're gonna leave from here very, very happy. So anyone in the area, Fanick, here in San Antonio, Texas, please come and stop by, because there is just so much. Whether you're looking for plants or not, it's an amazing place just to come and walk around. This is a nursery that I find myself so much in peace. I always tell everybody, there's just something about it that is very peaceful. That's why I love it so much. But they have so many plants. So Now, let's be honest, guys. By the time you watch this video, these roses might be gone. But
we will make sure to put it out there,
Yeah.
you know, through other social media, Instagram and Facebook, even TikTok.
yeah. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.